Morning, welcome to Whitey's Roads. We're going to go down this track here. I think it'd be a good firewood, this tree here. We're going to go down this track here. It's a new track I found, so it's just here. I've ridden for 45 minutes to get here, so it's through here. Yeah, so I'll see how this goes. It's a bit tight and twisty, this track. So I'm out in a place here where geologists from all over the world come out here. I'm not too sure if I'm at the right mound. I might have to go to this mound over here. And what they find out here, they find a rock called spinifex rock. You can Google that up and you can check that I'm not lying. But I don't know if this is a bit. But see these lines here? I think it is a bit. I think this could be another good example of spinifex rock. So it's got these lines on it, like grass lines. I don't know if this is a bit. It could be. I'm keeping it. So I'm gonna keep looking around. I'm gonna keep looking around so I can find some better examples that are just dead giveaway, you know. like 100%, I know that's what it is. So I'm up on top of that hill you saw just before. But what I want to say, the spinifex rocks, I have seen it before, and it's normally like this. It's normally like this colour. It's normally this sort of colour rock. I don't think this is an example of it, but it's not good enough. But I forgot to tell you the most important thing. The thing about the spinifex rock, and why geologists come here to Australia, you know, to look for this rock, is the only other place they found this rock was on the moon. On the moon. That's where they only similar rock they ever found was on the moon. So that's spinifex rocks, Kalgoorlie. So you can look it up, and you can see that I'm a try-hard fan of geology. Okay. So I come to a bit of a dead stop here. There's some fencing wire tangled up in the bike. I have to stop and pull that out. I think you can just jump across this, but I'm not going to. This is pretty deep here. There's a pretty, see, it's just straight edges there. But I'll find a way around. I'll find a way around this, just over here. I want to show you something though. See that rock over there? See that hill over there? All that rock there? That looks like spinifex rocks to me. That hill just there. Yeah, so we'll go and have a look at that. Yeah, I'm here. So yeah, I'm just going to try and find if I can find some of this spinifex rock. Like, we'll call it moon rock. So I'm looking for, I think it might be just easier to go to the moon. That's if they actually did go to the moon. I'm not sure if they did. So there you go. So I want to tell you something. I was out with a geologist trail riding, and we found this moon rock because he was looking for it. He knew where it was, and we rode there on the bikes and we found it. But I didn't keep a piece. I know exactly what it looks like. It's this colour rock. I know exactly what it looks like. It's just like grass that's impregnated into the rock. You can see like grass. That's what I call it, spinifex rock. But I'm not saying that's how it's made. And I found bits like, you know, bigger than my hand and everything. I think most bits had a trace of it on it, but I didn't bring it back with me or anything, because unless you want to put it down in your pants and your Johnson, it's just not. I thought, oh, one day I'll go back. Yeah, well, that was like 20 years ago, so so I'm out here looking for it now. I should have kept it. I should have got a little bit. So greed. If I had a little bit, I'm sure I had a camelback on me and everything. I was always riding with the camelback ones, and I could have probably put. Sometimes you don't think of the obvious things to do. Jesus Christ! And this looks like the rock. I remember it had like flat surfaces on it. So just down here. And I can tell you, I can't see any sign of this sort of spinifex thing. So I'll just I'll keep going up the top, I think. Oh, fuck me. Oh, I'm walking in an area of. I'm just wondering if I can't see any sign of this spinifex. I know exactly what it looks like. It's not. You can't mistake. You can't mistake it. It's got all lines, all parallel lines running through the rock, crisscrossing. So there, I'll turn the camera off, and if I find a bit I'll show you. Yeah, welcome. Well, I'm on top of this rock hill here, and I can't find any spinifex rock. Yeah, it looks just like this colour. It looks like this type of rock. So we're on top of the hill here, and nothing. I remember when we found it. When we found this special rock, it was we found. I don't think it was on every rock, but it was on a lot of it. And we're finding really big pieces, not just like little pieces. So it wasn't like scarce. So yeah, I don't think this is a rock. It could be, but I haven't got the pattern. No patterns on the rock. So yeah, that's about it. Okay. Right, good morning to Whitey's Rides. Yeah, we're going to go down this nice track down here. It's a beautiful winter's day. It's the 9th of July 2024. Yeah, so we'll go down this track. Oh, didn't see the road. Hey, now that was interesting. I come out of the bush there and I misjudged that I was coming up to the road. So I should have braked a lot harder and just stopped, but yeah, I risk falling off doing that. I think I'd rather fall off than get run over by a mining truck. Oh, anyway, we'll go down this track. Oh, that scared me a bit. I didn't think I was near that road there.
everyone.